Now that we've added the functionality for multi-objective reinforcement learning, the way we train and write our scripts is a little different. So I'm just going to quickly go through that. So the first thing we want to do is just make sure that we're using the right version of the toolkit. So within our folder where we've downloaded the toolkit, we just go pip3 install -e ML agents, and we want the environment first. And then we're going to install just the agent. And we want to make sure that Unity is pointed towards the right package from within that folder as well. So we go Window, Package Manager, add the package from disk, and you just browse to that location. Just quickly show you com unity ml agents, and we want to install package.json, and once you go open, that'll install the correct version of ml agents. Once that's done, we need to modify the script. So if I edit the 3D ball agent script in here, we just want to make sure that we're extending MO agents instead of agents. Add another observation, a sensor observation of m_weight, and that will allow us to add a weight to the objectives whilst it's training, and also when it's playing back we can modify the weight. And the last change to make to the script is to make sure that we've got our objective in with our reward and penalties. So 0 is our first objective and 1 is our second objective. So once that's all done, we're ready to start training. So back to ML agents. So it's the ML agents -learn. We can give it a run ID. I'm just going to call this MORL test. And we also need the config file. So if I quickly show you the config file, so in here there is an MPPO folder, and in there I've got my morl.yaml file. If I quickly have a look at that, you'll see here the trainer type is MPPO, so that is a new training script that we've got now that is a part of the package, and it will train a multi-objective agent. So just make sure the trainer type's MPPO, and then from the command line we just reference that script. Hit return. Oops, looks like I've already used that run ID, so I'm just going to say force. And now I can run the Unity environment, and you should start learning. Here the weight steps, I've got that set to 60,000 because I'm running 540,000 steps, and so each 60,000 steps it will increment the weight by 1 whilst he's training. And the other thing we need to make sure here is our space size. So it used to be 8, but now that it's multi-objective and we're looking at the weight, we've got another observation, so it's up to 9 observations now. Other than that, that's after a couple of hours it'll finish doing his training. Okay, now that that's finished, I'm going to drag the I'm just going to drag the 3D ball into Unity and attach that to my agent. And now when I run the agent, he'll run his multi-objective brain, So here you can see he drops the ball a fair bit. Now if I put his weight up, it should he should improve. So if I move that up to say halfway, you can see now he's a little bit better. And put it all the way up, and he's actually doing really well now. So thank you for watching.